Ndewo kekime. Ndewo aha m bụ Ijoma onye na-ewetara gị nkụzi Igbo. So today I want to formally invite you to join the Igbo Speakers Bootcamp. Igbo Speakers Bootcamp. You might be wondering, what is Igbo Speakers Bootcamp? So the bootcamp is a group coaching program where I coach 5 people in the group over the course of 12 weeks. Okay, I coach both beginners and intermediate speakers. And the focus is on getting you to speak. So if you've been looking for a coach, if you've been wanting to learn Igbo for like forever, if you want to connect more with your family, I invite you to check out the bootcamp. We are starting quite soon, actually. We're starting on Monday. That's 4 days away. The way to join the bootcamp is to get on a free call with me and we talk. I hear your goals. You tell me about your aspirations. You ask questions and I answer them. And you decide if the bootcamp is a great fit for you or not. If it's a great fit, then you join us. If not, of course, that's fine. I'll share other resources like the YouTube channel that has lots of lessons. Okay. So that's in a nutshell. We do meet on Zoom. That's how we meet. We meet twice a week and you speak. And when we are not meeting, you are going to be going through the course, which I'll show you now. So where the course material is hosted, all the like grammar, the recordings from past bootcamp, which is organized by conversation topics. So that's something that you can start going through. Once you register, you can actually start going through before Monday when we start officially. So let me show you what the course looks like. So this is the bootcamp. You can see it starts with pronunciation, Igbo sounds, so that you know how to pronounce them. Okay, and there's also a dedicated pronunciation course. Then you see the Igbo verbs and all that. So usually for my intermediate speakers, I'll tell them to go straight, jump in and start here. But if if you're a beginner, then we would normally go here. So can you see I've gone left where it says included courses. When I click that, it brings up the things that we have. So this is all in addition to that curriculum we've just seen. So that curriculum has all the grammar. But if you come in here, you see more things really. There's the recordings you can see from September, different boot camps, March, okay? You have access to all this to learn. So if you're a beginner, this is where I would ask you to come in. If you see, it says Learn Igbo for Beginners. So this is a course that gives you a very quick overview as a beginner. So you know the basic stuff, the basic conjugation, greetings, and all that before you jump into the main curriculum of the bootcamp. Okay? And once you've done the Igbo for beginners, it's a good thing to also do this pronunciation course. Okay? So both are quite short courses you can finish in a week. So when you're done, then you go back to the left. But before I go back to show you the curriculum again, you can see that we have things like quizzes. These quizzes are available. You can jump in and start doing them straight away. When you're done with the beginner, you start the intermediate, of course. Okay, so this is all in addition to the bootcamp. So back to the curriculum. So like I said, after you've done the beginner course, you come in here, then go into more verbs, making sentences, learn how to ask questions, and other parts of grammar, nouns, adjectives, conjunctions, and all that stuff. Okay, so if you have any questions, if you want to ask me in the comments, chat, I'm happy to answer them now. Otherwise, I've left a link below this video. It's a free call, 15 to 30 minutes, just chatting and getting to know you and what you are looking to achieve, really. Dalu, Utman, Dalu, okay, so that link will tell you, you just fill in just a few things. So that will help me prepare for the call. Once we've had the call, if you want to go ahead and join the bootcamp, then of course you're welcome. After the call, if you do not want to join, that's fine as well. At least you know you get your questions answered, right? Or the ma. Dalu. So that was in a nutshell the bootcamp. And if there are no questions, I am done. Okay. The other place to find information before you book a call, if you want to see more before you book a call, you can just go to Igbo Study igbostudy.com. So that's my website. Igbostudy.com. If you go in there, you see the bootcamp and you can read more about it. That's it. Guandalo. Has anybody got any questions at all? Even if it's not on the bootcamp. Okay. Dali, was great having you all here. Cody.